Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you my mini maker grill. I got this a few months ago and I thought it was time to open it up and make something delicious. So I'll show you what it looks like, how it works, and then I will make Hawaiian burgers for you. So this is the same color as my mini pie maker. The beautiful teal color, I just love it. And as always, it comes with this little envelope which has the instructions and recipes in it. It gives you the parts list in it, what you're not supposed to do, how you're supposed to do it. The main features of this, first off, it does not have an on-off switch. You plug it in, it turns on, it preheats. When it's ready to cook, the light will go off so you know it has been preheated. I'm not a big fan of this, but that's how they make all of their appliances. I do love their appliances otherwise though. Now this grill has the bottom and the top grill marks, so when you grill a hamburger or a panini or whatever you want to make, it will get the grill marks on the top and bottom. So there's no reason to flip it because it'll cook from top and bottom. It mentions that you should spray it with cooking spray, but you don't want to do that. It will ruin the non-stick finish. You can wipe it with oil-treated paper towel or brush it on lightly with a basting brush. Now the biggest thing that I was concerned about until I read the manual was that it has no drain spout. So all of the grease is going to just sit there and accumulate. And I was worried about that. But according to the instructions, that if it starts getting some grease, just take a paper towel and dab up the grease. If it's too much, where it's not allowing the burger to cook, remove the burger, take some tongs holding paper towel and wipe it all up, and then put your burger back on to finish cooking. I'm not sure how I'm going to like that because I like to know that my grease is draining somewhere. So we'll see how that works when I get started on doing that. As for the recipes, pesto chicken panini, sausage, egg, cheese, breakfast sandwich, grilled cheese English muffin, bacon cheeseburger, grilled apples, grilled spice pineapple. I will be grilling my pineapple. I'm not going to spice it, but I will grill it since it is going to be a Hawaiian burger. And then there's some other little ideas in this as well. So I will get this all cleaned up and ready to go, and then we will make Hawaiian burgers. So what all goes into the Hawaiian burgers? 1/2 cup mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons teriyaki sauce, 1 tablespoon honey, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper. It calls for 8 whole canned pineapple rings. I just got some fresh one here. 1.5 pounds ground beef. I'm going to make mine 1/4 pound, which would be 4 of them would be 1 pound. I also got 93% lean because, like I mentioned about the grill not having a drain for the grease, that I got the leanest hamburger that I could, so there'll be less grease. Salt and pepper to taste. Extra teriyaki sauce for after it's done. 4 slices of provolone cheese. 2 tablespoons butter. 4 whole onion hamburger buns. I've got the sweet Hawaiian onion buns since it is a Hawaiian burger. And 1/2 of a red onion sliced. So let's begin. So take a bowl, we're going to make the sauce. Put in the 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, the 2 tablespoons of the teriyaki sauce, the 1 tablespoon of honey, and the 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and mix that until it's thoroughly combined. So the next thing we will do is we will preheat our grill. The light came on. When the light goes off, that means it's preheated. And then we'll wipe it down with a little bit of oil. All right, so the light went off. You want to just make sure you grab it by the lip. I'm just going to take a little bit of olive oil and put it on a paper towel and wipe it down. You don't need much because it is non-stick. And as my hamburgers are not greasy, I want to make sure I have a little bit of grease for it. Now the first thing we'll do is we'll grill our pineapples. I did cut one of them in half, and you just want to cook these long enough to get the grill marks on them. All right, so you can see the grill marks. If you want them darker, just leave them on there longer. Now I think I will leave it a little bit longer. Now over here I am making the hamburger patties. I've got this nice little patty maker. I cut my pound of ground beef into 4 as equal as possible pieces. You just squish this down like this and flatten it, and you remove the top. And then it's got this little insert here so you can remove it out of the little well so you don't have to worry about it falling apart. And then you can just turn it over and it comes off. Salt and pepper your hamburgers to taste. All right, so that looks about as dark as I want it. I'll take this off and put it on this plate over here until I get everything ready. So while the pineapples are grilling, I'm going to toast the hamburger buns. Now you can toast them in a toaster oven. You can toast them in the oven. You can heat them up in a frying pan, or you can even heat it up in that little grill, but it's being used right now. So I'm going to use my toaster. Now because I only want the insides toasted, so you want to put them in and then hit the bagel button, and I have it at a medium setting. You want to set it so where the elements are lit up, you want the side that you want toasted facing those elements. All right, so nice and toasted. The pineapples are all grilled. Now let's put our hamburgers on there. And cook them until your desired doneness. But well is at 160 degrees, and that's what we're going for. It'll take about 7 minutes. So as you can see, a lot of the grease, and you can just kind of sop that up. This is my least favorite of the whole thing. I think it needs a drain tube. So right before it's done, add your slice of provolone cheese and let it melt with the lid open. All right, so the cheese has melted. I'm going to remove this one, set it over here, and let it rest a little bit while I make the other ones. And I'll see you when they're all made so we can build the Hawaiian burger. So let's build this bad boy. Take your toasted bun. On the bottom, take your teriyaki sauce and spread that on the bottom. On the top bun, take your softened butter. Now if you're going to cook these in the oven or the grill or the griddle, you can butter them when you toast them, but you can't do that in the toaster. Take your hamburger, take an onion slice, and take a slice of pineapple. Now we have a Hawaiian burger. So here is the Hawaiian burger cooked in my mini grill, and rounding out the meal is coleslaw. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Another big mouth burger.
No, you got a big mouth. Keep telling you that.
Okay. That's a whole lot of flavors. Works pretty good together though. It's a pretty hot onion too. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.